2025 could see XRP becoming a leading crypto, with us exploring its potential impact on investor strategies. Ripple powers XRP, known for fast transactions and low fees, setting the stage for significant developments in 2025. Key changes like regulatory clarity and adoption by financial institutions could boost XRP significantly in coming years. A legal victory for XRP in 2024 has spurred increased interest from major banks for cross-border payment solutions. By leveraging major partnerships, XRP is being positioned as a cornerstone of fast international payments. With a massive $700 billion market, global remittances could greatly enhance the adoption rate of XRP. XRP processes transactions in 3 to 5 seconds, starkly faster compared to Bitcoin's or Ethereum's lengthy times. Additionally, XRP's minimal transaction fees make it an economical choice for high-volume trading activities. Every investment carries risks. XRP's future relies on regulatory trends, market perceptions, and emerging competitors. Experts view XRP as a potential fast-growing crypto in 2025, but personal investment decisions remain crucial. We encourage you to share opinions. Will XRP dominate, or is another coin your choice for future investment? Like and subscribe if you find these insights valuable, and stay updated on finance and crypto futures. Consider XRP's data-backed potential. Its position as a top crypto in 2025 is promising yet speculative. Overall, evaluating XRP's prospects reveals significant opportunities and challenges in the evolving crypto landscape.